guys, welcome back to Wonderful Revolution. I'm Jed.
And I'm Sandy.
So recently we just pulled up stakes from beautiful Acton, California. Made our way out to the fabulous city of Las Vegas, Nevada.
So we've been out running around a little bit in Vegas this morning, but we're about to head back now, and we're going to give you a tour of the Oasis Las Vegas RV Resort. So hey guys, we hope you liked the tour of the Oasis Las Vegas RV Resort.
This is definitely one of our favorite RV parks that we've been to thus far, but that's all for tonight. Make sure you subscribe, click the little bell to receive a notification every time we release a new video. And that's it.
All right.
See you next time.
Bye guys.